This burger is 1200 calories, and this burger is 320 calories. In today's video, we are making two different smash burgers at two different calorie counts. My goal today is to satisfy your burger craving, whether you're going for maximum flavor or trying to eat a little bit more calorie conscious while still enjoying yourself. For our traditional smash patties, we're gonna be using this burger blend that is 75% meat and 25% fat, which is a pretty fatty ratio. But for optimal results, this is what you wanna do. And me personally, I love a really nice thick patty burger. So these balls are all 4 ounces each. Now to cook our burgers, I'm going to be using a stainless steel pan. You could easily use a cast iron. And if all you have is a non-stick, that is totally fine. I'm gonna turn the heat onto a nice medium high. And the reason why you wanna use cast iron or stainless steel is because these pans allow you to get them really hot before actually cooking in them. I'm gonna let this pan get nice and hot for about 3 to 4 minutes. That is very important because the whole point of a smash burger is to develop the Maillard reaction. Those brown bits are the flavor that we're trying to achieve. And the last tool I really recommend is actually having the smasher. And if you don't have one, you can easily use the bottom of a plate or a pan. I have always parchment so I could put it on top of the meat, smash the burger, get a nice little twirl to develop that Maillard reaction. It's gonna go by fast, and that's why I'm yapping. We're doing no oil too, by the way. You do not need to spray this pan. There is plenty of fat in this patty. Burger's gonna go into the center of my pan. You're gonna hear a really nice sizzle. Then we're gonna grab our parchment and then we're just going to smash. Now, as it's developing those beautiful bits, I'm gonna hit it with this all-purpose rub. Use whatever you got. Salt and pepper is absolutely fine. You can kind of see those little gaps in between the meat because you got a really nice smash. I'm gonna carefully, trying to preserve that little crust that we've been developing, I'm gonna carefully get under it like that and give it a flip. That is a perfect crust right there. And since this patty's so thin, do not go way too heavy on the rub. As soon as I flip it for our regular smash burger, I'm gonna add some American cheese, just like that in the center. And this patty is done. Hey, that's a good looking crust, huh? Now for burger number 2, which is the low calorie version. This is 92% meat and only 8% fat. And just keep in mind, there are gonna be a few key differences here. So I'm gonna lower the heat just a little bit. I don't want this to be ripping hot. I lowered it to a medium. Again, 4-ounce ball, goes straight into the pan. You should hear a really nice sizzle. Because this is not fatty, you don't want to smash this way too thin. We want the Maillard reaction, but we're not going to get those beautiful brown laces or else it will get way too dry. Another thing to note here is this patty is a little bit on the thicker side, so we're going to give it a little bit more time. That's why we lowered the heat. We're going to let it cook through just so it can remain nice and juicy. And then as it's cooking, I'm going to hit it with this all-purpose rub. And remember, salt and pepper totally works. Now, a key sign to know that this is ready to flip is the edges are going to start curling up. I'm going to try to preserve as much crust as I can by scraping down, and then we're gonna give this a flip. Come on. For lean beef, that is a beautiful crust. I'm gonna lightly season the other side. This is gonna be less juicy and less fatty. So what we're gonna do is, as this is finishing up, I'm actually gonna hit it with a little bit of W sauce, some Worcestershire. You could also do A1 or barbecue, but anything to give it a little bit of moisture. And for our cheese of choice, we're actually gonna be using fat-free American slices. This is only 30 calories a slice, just like that. I killed the heat and I'm just gonna remove this. God damn, boy. These pans be crusty and dusty. Real quickly, I love an Oklahoma smash burger where you smash the patty into the onions. But I don't know what it is. Something about some raw onion on a burger adds so much freshness and bite that I've been really loving. And I'm just gonna get a really nice dice. Very simple. Ugh. I can't grip anything, man. Now for our regular smash burger, I am going with a brioche bun. Honestly, use whatever you like. Because we don't care about calories for this burger, I'm gonna get generous with the oil. There's a quick tip: when you're toasting the bun, you wanna kind of lift it up and just introduce it to more of that oil, just so you make sure you get a nice even color. Bro, I don't even got the patience for this, bro. And now for our lower calorie burger bun, I'm actually using these Carb Smart burger buns. These are only 100 calories and they have 4 grams of fiber and 10 grams of protein. So this pan has 1 light spray of oil. We're just gonna warm up the bun, get it nice and soft. It's not gonna get that even golden brown, but we can take what we could get. Beggars can't be choosers, bro. You want weight loss or not, big dog? Now it's time to assemble. We got burger 1. This burger is gonna get some regular smash burger sauce. My mouth low-key's watering, I'm not gonna lie. And then we're gonna do a few raw onions. And then we got our beautiful double smash patties. Look at that lace on there. Cool tip is you're gonna put pickles, or you could put the onions on top of the cheese so it sticks, and then the lid goes on. This is my classic smash burger. You got a beautiful lace, double patty, nice burger sauce, some pickles, and heavily toasted brioche bun. This burger is around 1,100 calories. Listen, nothing wrong with that. If you're craving a burger, eat a burger. Let's assemble a low-calorie one. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this bun does look a little depressing. It's not a toasted brioche. Now, for this burger, we're gonna go in with some yellow mustard. Yellow mustard is yellow mustard is extremely low in calorie. Naturally, it's only 5 calories a serving. Lightly brush it on just like this. And then I'm gonna do 1 serving of ketchup. That is 1 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon is only 20 calories. We already saved hundreds of calories because a regular smash burger sauce is a mayo base, which is so high in calorie. Next, for essentially no calories, we're gonna do some raw onion. It probably costs your body more calories to burn the onion than the actual consumption of it. Again, the key is to use low calorie flavor enhancers like the mustard, like the onion. Even the Worcestershire sauce, all of these things are very easy and light, but they add so much flavor, and that's the key. Next, we're gonna do only 1 burger patty. And remember, from the carb balance bun, we're getting a lot of protein. It has 10 grams of protein in itself. And then last but not least, we're gonna put 3 pickles, just like this. This burger is only 320 calories and 38 grams of protein. Plus, it has a few grams of fiber. I just wanna say there's absolutely nothing wrong with eating both of these burgers. But again, if you are trying to be a little bit more calorie conscious on a cut, this burger will satisfy your cravings. This is also triple the calories, and it only has 10 more grams of protein. You could eat 3.5 of these for the calories of this and get 140 grams of protein and about 20 grams of fiber. All right, burger number 1, let's give it a rating out of 10. Bismillah. The lacing had a crunch. Oh my God. I've had a lot of burgers in my time. That crust is phenomenal. That's a really solid burger. Now our calorie conscious burger. Bismillah. That tastes like a Krabby Patty. So the mustard actually adds a really nice tone. It's kind of giving me in and out here. I will say that the burger bun is not as soft and it has a light chew. Honestly though, if I'm in a cut and this is 300 calories, this is really good. Don't get too technical on me and tell me, oh, I know it's not. It's actually good. It tastes good. It has solid flavor. The burger has a really nice crust. I'm really enjoying this. I'm rating the regular smash burger an 8.2, and I'm gonna give the healthy one a 7.1. And I want you to have fun with it. If you have other toppings in mind, use them. I was just giving you a template to go off of.